Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are watching this video from. We are so excited to share with you the Kinlocks tax opportunity. So let's start off with who are we? Kinlocks Tax is an online virtual agency. We are completely home-based, allowing you to truly have a virtual work from home opportunity. We are currently rated 5 stars on Google as well as an A rating on the Better Business Bureau. Let's talk about our promise. Our promise here at Kinlocks Tax is to provide a 5-star tax experience for our customers by ensuring our customers pay the correct fair amount of taxes. Now, we also want to empower our American families with a work from home opportunity that truly allows them to achieve financial freedom and time freedom. While doing all these amazing things, we want to create a family-like culture of positivity, encouragement, and success at all levels in life. Now let's talk about the gig economy because that's exactly what we're in right now. How many of you watching this video have seen any of these apps or even heard of them? Airbnb, Fiverr, Uber, Lyft. I can tell you right now, I personally use these apps on a daily basis. So that means that there's someone behind that, right? There's workers that are opting into a self-employed gig economy. A lot of people are more and more open to working at their own leisure. So let's continue to talk about that, right? We have the gig economy. We have a company called Uber where they actually employ over 50,000 drivers on a monthly basis. And all people do is simply sign up and drive people from a location, pick up a location to a destination. And that is it, right? That is the power behind Uber, giving people that flexibility. Now we also have H&R Block. H&R Block employs over 100,000 tax professionals. And guess what? All these franchises have an investment anywhere between 31,000 and 149,000, along with a $2,500 security deposit. Now you're probably wondering, Dylan, why are you bringing these things up? Well, it's really important that you guys understand that this business model with H&R Block is considered the norm, right? The tradition. A lot of people are opting into it and paying that kind of money. But you let me know if you have this kind of money to get involved in the tax industry. Well, guess what? Let's keep calm and take a guess. I want you right now to take a guess on how much you think it is to get started in Kinlocks Tax. Just take a few seconds. You saw how much it is to get started with H&R Block. So I want you guys to really process how much you think it is to get involved with our tax company. Ta-da! That's right. It's only 3 for the price of 1. That's right. $49. Ladies and gentlemen, you're getting our state-of-the-art tax university program that teaches you how to become a tax preparer. You are also getting our credit repair program. That's an automated credit repair business. And you are learning how to become a travel agent, all for the price of $49. Now let's dive into the enrollment positions. We want to get this out the way so you guys have a clear understanding on what you want to do going forward. So here at Kinlocks Tax, we have 3 different enrollment positions. We have the VBA, the VBO, and the Elite Tax Pro. Now in these next few slides, I'm going to go into depth on each of these positions. So you have to figure out what's right for you, right? We have the virtual business agent position. At this position, you simply have the power to file your own personal client's taxes. You cannot build a team at this position. This is the person that simply wants to get involved in the tax industry, does not want to worry about having tax preparers underneath them or having a team, and you simply want to be paid for your own performance. Now, there's no huge overhead. right? There's no expensive office rent, utilities, franchise fees, right? None of that stuff. We give you all the training as well as the customer service. We also do your banking for you and your payroll for a very low investment of $39 upfront and $40 a month. That's less than $2 a day to run your own tax business. Now, the revenue share at this position is 60% commissions. Now, here is my personal favorite, and of course, I'm going to be biased when I'm saying this because I am a VBO as well, but the virtual business office position is where it's at. At this position, not only do you get all the benefits that we just discussed about the VBA, but you get to build a team of unlimited agents, right? Unlimited tax preparers. So imagine right now, if you were like me when I first saw this opportunity and you were wondering, how many people do I know that will get involved in the tax industry? How many people that I know wants to learn how to file taxes? Well, guess what? If you get started first, you can now become the official referrer to them to joining your business office. And what happens is you actually get 10% overrides of whatever the agents do for tax purposes, right? You also get $50 credit repair overrides of your team, as well as travel agent training. We'll get into all that later on in the presentation. Now, at this position, it's a very affordable position as well. It's a low upfront cost of only $49, that's right, and $50 monthly. It's only a $10 difference from the VBA and the VBO. Same thing as always, payroll, complete system, training, and customer service is provided. Now, let's say you're more experienced, right? Let's say you're advanced with the tax industry and you've been around for a couple years and you're just mainly looking for a new software home, right? You want a new software, you want to have more flexibility, more control. Well, guess what? We welcome you to our Elite Tax Pro position. At this position, you actually earn 100% tax prep fees. That's right. The other two positions is 60%, but at this position, it is 100%. Whatever you charge, 100% of that goes into your bank account. So let's talk about a little bit of what we offer. We're going to help you get your EFIN and your PTIN. We're of course going to train you on how to file taxes. You're going to get a virtual cloud-based software. We're going to help you enroll with all the major banks. You're going to get our cash advance program, customizable app, customizable virtual tax office, marketing training, grocery savings, weekly bonuses as well. Now, here's the catch. You can't build a team if you are ETP. You can only refer other elite tax pros. If you want to build a team and leverage other people joining your office and filing taxes, you would have to combine the ETP with the VBO. Now, the ETP position is a one-time fee of $599. It's actually more affordable than the VBO position and the VBA position, simply because if you do the math, $50 times 12 is $600. So the exact same money you were going to spend with either position, you can now spend as an Elite Tax Pro. The only difference is it's a one-time fee. You paid on an annual basis, the $599 every single year. Now that we got all those positions out the way, let's dive into the compensation. Somebody say, show me the money, because look, there is plenty to go around, right? Because taxes is a 3.3 trillion with a T dollar industry. So I want to go over every single position we just talked about, but I want to go over the compensation in detail, right? So let's say you're going to get started as a VBA and your name is Susan, right? Susan decides to file a tax return. She charges $400. She is now going to earn 60% commissions of that $400, and that equals $240. Now, Kinlocks Tax pays out prep fees on a weekly basis. As soon as it's released from the IRS, we will pay you that same Wednesday or the very next Wednesday. Now, let's say you're a VBO, right? You're a virtual business office. Once again, my personal favorite position. Now, you got started, you're super excited, and you actually decided to refer 10 other friends to become either VBAs or VBOs underneath you, right? So each friend in this scenario files a minimum of 25 tax returns during tax season, right? Tax season is minimum 3.5 months. So within 3.5 months, they file 25 tax returns. The average tax preparer does 50 to 100 tax returns in a season. And especially newbies, you're going to do anywhere from 25 to 50. So this is about right. This is a good estimate, right? So let's say they each file 25 tax returns, all 10 of those friends, and they each charge a $400 preparation fee. Now, you're just minding your own business, right? You're a VBO, you're filing your own personal client's taxes, and you're not even knowing what's going on with your other friends. Now, guess what? You're going to reap the benefits because you're a VBO. So I want to do the math right now. Each of those agents are going to receive their 60% commission share. No money is taken away from the 10 other agents that you referred. So let's say you have 10 agents. They each file 25 tax returns, and they charge a $400 prep fee. You then get 10% of that $400, which is $40. That equals $10,000 in passive income. Ladies and gentlemen, you let me know right now if you can use an extra $10,000 a year just because you decided to refer somebody to this amazing opportunity. They got started. Kinlocks Tax taught them all the training on how to file taxes, and you simply just reap the rewards every single time they file a tax return. And guess what? There is no limit on how many tax preparers you can refer to your virtual business office with Kinlocks Tax. Compensation example number 3. Let's say you are Elite Tax Pro. Your name is Samantha, right? Samantha files a tax return and she charges a prep fee of $500. Guess what? She is going to receive that prep fee of $500 within 24 hours of the IRS releasing the client's refund. That's right. So at this position, you actually get paid faster than everybody else because the money goes directly into your bank account. So instead of it going into Kinlocks Tax bank account and you then waiting to get paid that same Wednesday or the next Wednesday, you're going to receive that money directly within 24 hours. Now, let's go over some other examples, right? Let's say you have a friend named Maria, and she is also interested in becoming a tax preparer or an Elite Tax Pro. Maria enrolls as an Elite Tax Pro under Samantha. Maria receives the same benefits Samantha does, right? Samantha is going to receive a $100 referral bonus the very next day. So Kinlocks Tax does compensate you for referring other Elite Tax Pros to the company. Now here's another scenario. Let's say you have another friend named Jacob, but instead of Jacob wanting to become a ETP, he wants to now become a VBO, right? Samantha decides to become a VBO in order to have the ability to build a team. Because remember, in order to be able to build a team, you have to be a VBO. At the VBA and the ETP, you cannot build a team. So Samantha decides to become a VBO atop of being a ETP. So she is now a hybrid. You can do that. You can become an ETP, pay your one-time fee of $5.99, and then also pay your monthly $50 a month as a VBO. She enrolls Jacob to become a part of her team, and she will now receive 10% overrides of Jacob's prep fees. Now it still gets even better. Let's talk about our rank structure in the Kinlocks Tax opportunity. So if you're looking at this video and you want to become a VBO, guess what? That is our very first rank, right? You receive 60% tax commission and 10% goes to the sponsor. Now, once you refer 3 VBOs to your office using the Kinlocks Tax opportunity, you are now promoted to the director rank. Refer 6 VBOs and you are now an executive director. Referred 9 VBOs, you are now a national director. Refer 15 VBOs with 3 national directors in your organization, and you are now an international office. Also granting you a $1,000 leadership bonus that's paid on the second month of maintaining that rank. And then, of course, there's always another level. Let's say you have a team of 300 VBOs with no more than 1/3 coming from any leg. You are now a platinum office. And at our platinum office position, you are going to earn anywhere from $3,000 to $15,000 leadership bonuses. Once again, paid on the second month of maintaining your rank. All right, now let's talk about this exciting new addition to the Kinlocks tax compensation plan, which is called the residual profit pool. Now you're probably wondering, what is a residual profit pool, right? A residual profit pool is all the remaining profits from Kinlocks tax after tax season is poured into a pool. And percentages of that pool is then paid back out to the same agents that help develop the profits for the company. So this is just how generous Kinlocks tax is. They're taking the money that they have made from everybody's prep fees and pouring it right back out to the agents. That way the agents earn residual tax prep fees every single month, giving them extra income during the off season. So with this example, we're going to examine this pool and picture it having a $280,000 profit pool, right? Once again, this is just an example. So let's say you are a director. Let's say you referred 3 VBOs, right? And you got promoted to director. That is the very first position that you can actually be at to get access to the profit pool. So as a director, you can earn $65 in residual income every single month. If you're an executive director, you can earn $130 in income every single month. If you are a national director, you earn $326 in residual income every single month. International office, you can earn $653 along with a $1,000 leadership bonus. Platinum office, you can earn $1,088 in residual income along with a $3,000 leadership bonus. Senior vice president, $1,633 in residual income along with a $5,000 leadership bonus. And diamond vice president, $3,733 in residual income along with a $15,000 leadership bonus. Now, what does all of this mean, right? And I want to stress the importance of this just being an example. These aren't current actual numbers. Why is that? Because the pool constantly grows every single year. Each year as the company grows and more tax preparers join the company, which also leads to more tax preparers filing taxes, right? Helping clients filing their taxes, it's always going to lead to a bigger profit pool. Because all this is, the profit pool is just a collection of everybody's prep fees poured into a bucket. And you can then take a piece of that bucket. And that's what's so exciting about this profit pool. These numbers can always fluctuate, especially if you're the only one in that pool. You're going to maximize the pool. So the goal is always to continue to grow yourself and grow your business, because you want to keep going up that ladder and achieving new ranks. That way you're in a pool with less people, which gives you more access to the money. Now, Kinlocks Tax is loyal. We even came up with a loyalty pool. Kinlocks Tax rewards loyal members by increasing commission shares every single year. Now, you must remain active all months without lapse. So that's right. We give you a raise regardless of what you do, as long as you're active with the company. How this works is after year 1 of having all months active, right, with no lapse, you will actually get a 1% commission increase. Year 2, 2%, year 3, 3%, year 4, 4%, and year 5, 5%, thus giving you the potential to get a 15% increase in pay just after 5 years. So regardless of anything you do, as long as you remain active with the company, your income is going to grow every single year. Now, we also have rewards and recognition. Every month, the top VBO office enroller receives an extra 4% commission, and you can only win that 4 times. Now, we have additional opportunities. I know everything that we said up until this point sounds amazing, but somehow Kinlocks Tax continues to push it and continues to give more value. So on top of everything that we mentioned, you're going to have the ability to participate in our credit repair referral program, where all you do is if you have a customer that wants to get their credit repaired, you refer them to Kinlocks Tax. You receive $100 if you're the one that referred them, and whoever is your sponsor receives a $50 override. And that is it. We do all the credit repair work, all the dispute letters, all the customer service, and you sit back and enjoy the money. Now, we also have the Travel University along with discounts, right? So if you want to learn how to book travel and get free Disney tickets and free cruises and all that fun stuff, this is where it's at. You can become a travel agent by participating with our VBO program. And of course, marketing is the bloodline of any business. We will teach you how to market using our state-of-the-art marketing university, as well as how to generate leads for your tax business. So I want to sum this all up by saying it's bigger than the money, right? We can talk about money all day long, but it's what you do with the money is that really matters, right? So Kinlocks Tax is devoted to the people. We constantly have annual community programs where we're giving money away and helping other charities and helping other companies thrive with our donations. We constantly have an annual scholarship program where we're trying to help the youth, right? We're trying to help people further their education. There's also leadership intensive retreats, company retreats, and a kids community outreach program. So let's just end it here, right? Why you should consider Kinlocks Tax. Number 1, it's time to get paid for something you will do regardless for the rest of your life. If you know you're going to file taxes, if you know you're going to book vacations, and if you know people want to get their credit repaired, then why not do it? That's what the rich do to stay richer. They position themselves in a vehicle that makes them income for something that people will always do. Listen, 2 things in life are certain: death and taxes. You might as well get paid by one of them, right? Position yourself early. Timing is everything. How early do you want to get in that profit pool so you can reap all the benefits? H&R Block has over 11,000 franchises who paid anywhere from $30K to $120,000. How many people do you know would rather get on board for just $49? No selling, no recruiting. You can simply just focus on filing taxes, booking travel, and repairing credit. And look, we'll even throw this in right now. If you join today, meaning right now after you watch this video, you will receive a complimentary vacation just for enrolling. So ladies and gentlemen, what are you waiting on? Get back with the person that invited you to this video. First, tell them thank you because they thought enough of you to share this amazing opportunity with you. Then let them know your decision. And me, I hope that you are going to make the correct decision to make the rest of your life the best of your life. I want to be the first to welcome you to the Kinlocks Tax opportunity because I know you're going to join us and I know you're going to thrive with our amazing culture of fun, success, and positivity. I want to say take care and God bless.